So we'll show you how to place the burner and burner ring. So this is the left side jumbo burner. You can see two shapes here. One half round like shape and one half moon like shape. So match the shapes in the bottom of the burner ring. So you can find the same shapes here. Match the shapes. That's it. This hole should be coming on the left side. This is the correct positioning. And the upper ring can be like positioned as your wish because this is an open ring. And center ring you can place it as you wish. So here you can see this right side burner. There is a different shapes here. You can find a small protrusion here. This protrusion should match the shape, and this T shape should match the this T shape in the bottom ring of the burner. So we will place it. Yeah, this is the correct placement. And there is an upper ring. This is a like full open ring. You can place it as you wish on the bottom ring. There is also a center ring. This is also a open ring. You can place it as you wish. And here, this is the right placement. If you place or misplace or change the direction of the bottom ring. So this is the small burner. Both the small burners are same. So there is this small hole and there is a bigger hole here. So there is a small protrusion here on the bottom ring of this burner. You can see. So this small protrusion should go inside this small ring. So it will go like this. Yes. And you can see a small hole here in the bottom ring. And there is a little bit pin, small pin here on the upper ring of this burner. So this pin should go and fit into this small hole. This fit here. So for both small burners, this is the same. This is the pan support. So you can see there is a shield in the front of the pan support. There is opening in the back of the pan support. So this shield should be facing the front. Should place it like this. This shield will protect the knobs and the cooking person from the heat coming from the flame. So for all the burners, you should place the pan support like this.